Idris's Kitchen 69 is in Long Beach, California at the Hotel Maya, a Doubletree Hilton Hotel. Let's take a look at the decor. A tropical view of the atrium. We're on the 3rd floor. And we're staying at room 1306. Let's go in and take a look. Ooh, here's the room, y'all. Look, his and hers robes, and it has a safe. Let's go look in the bathroom. The bathroom has a sliding door. Ah, look at the sink. The sink could be a little bigger, but I guess that's what the etagere is for, to put your nice things. Yes. Oh, nice, clean, updated bathroom. Okay, now on to the king-size bedroom and a beautiful mirror to look at yourself in. Oh, this is a nice room. The Hotel Maya, Doubletree by Hilton. Oh, and look at the patio. Look at the view. Oh. Nice view, guys. I think I like this place. Fire pit on a cool night. Marina. Ooh, what's this door to? Oh, it even has a refrigerator. Yes. But the Grey Goose doesn't come in there like that. That's all we need in a hotel room, right? And now this room, Hotel Maya, they have no microwaves in their room. That would be a plus. This is the view from our room. We moved our room to 4204 because we wanted another view. And I say that this 4th building is cleaner than that 1st building. Look, a beautiful day on a chilly day. Not to do this trip again when it's warmer. Look at this spectacular view of Long Beach, California. Across the way is downtown Long Beach. But the first week of November 2022, it's cold here, y'all. I had to go run to the Salvation Army. And look what them angels had there waiting on me. I'm warm now. And enjoying a mimosa. Well, that is my review on the Hotel Maya Doubletree Hilton. Oh, that room is just fabulous. So thanks for watching Idris's Kitchen 69, where she does some travel reviews too. Every day, enjoy living your best life.